Okay, so there was some feedback that the game was a little too easy at this point because the road speed's too slow and the cars are coming down too slow. So let's fix that right now. Currently, the enemy car speed is set to -2 and the road speed is set to -10. So we have variables controlling these. So what we can do is inside our main game loop, which is set up by this while loop here, we can change the value of those variables as the score increases. I'm going to do that down the bottom of this loop just before we draw the score. So right after the collision detection and before we display the score, let's set the speed of the game. So I'm going to say if the score is greater than or equal to 0 and the score is less than or equal to 9, then the road speed will be equal to -10, what it currently is, and the enemy car speed will be equal to -2. So that's what it currently is. But then we can say if the score is greater than or equal to 10 and the score is less than or equal to 19, then we can really ramp up the speed. So let's do that by setting the road speed equal to let's times it by 1.5, so -15, and we'll do the same with the enemy car speed. Let's set that equal to -3. And then if the score is greater than or equal to 20, and the score is less than or equal to 29, then the road speed can equal -22.5 and the enemy car speed can equal -4.5. And we can continue to add as many of these as we want, and we could have a final one. So else road speed equals I can't figure out what -22.5 is, but we can do times 1.5 and Python will do the math for us. And same with enemy car speed, we can say that is equal to -4.5 times 1.5. So we've just increased that by 1.5. Now, to test this out, I'd have to play for a while to get the score up to these values. Or if you want to, you can just change these values and test it. All right, but I'm going to play the game because I enjoy it. Let's have a go. Okay, I'm about to cross over the 10 threshold. Oh, there we go. Does feel a little faster. And now we're up to 20. Yeah, that's... Oh, yeah. It does feel like we're going a lot faster now. And now over the... Oh, we've got an error. Okay, the error. Float object has no attribute draw on line 130. Let's take a look. Enemy car.draw. Oh, I wonder if you saw the error I made. So here, once we passed over 30, I said enemy car equals -4.5 times 1.5. Of course, this should be enemy car speed. Now, there's a couple of other things here. I think it took too long for this first increase to happen. I reckon it should be like once we get past the first set of double cars. So if the score is less than or equal to 4, then we set that here. And so then here, we should say if it's between 5, let's go 5 and 15. And then we could go 16 and 25. And then once we're above 25, yeah, we're at that really fast speed. I think that's going to be better. Let me have one more test. And you play around with these yourself and see what you think works well for your game. But let's take a look now. All right, let's play. Here we go. Once this red car goes off the screen, I will be above 4, so we should go to the next level. Here we are. The music really adds to the game. All right, and now we're about to go over that threshold. Yeah, it's sped up again. Oh yeah, you can notice the increase in speed. It just feels faster. Oh, here we go. And now that is, yes, Now we're at the fastest speed. Yeah, oh, yeah, oh, that's good. I like that level of charge. All right, hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.